Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of our farming documentary series. Today, we will take an in-depth look at the fascinating world of date palm harvesting, focusing on the use of modern shaking machines and the advanced techniques involved in packing dates. Join us as we explore the entire journey of Phoenix dactylifera, commonly known as the date or date palm. Phoenix dactylifera, a flowering plant species in the palm family Arecaceae, is cultivated for its edible sweet fruit. Although its place of origin is unknown due to long cultivation, it probably originated from lands around Iraq. The species is widely cultivated and has become naturalized in many tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. The process of cultivating date palms begins with selecting high-quality seeds or offshoots from mature date palms. Offshoots are preferred as they ensure the genetic traits of the parent tree are carried forward. These offshoots are carefully planted in well-prepared soil, rich in nutrients. The ideal soil for date palms is sandy loam, which provides good drainage essential for healthy root growth. Date palms require a hot and dry climate with plenty of sunlight. They thrive in temperatures ranging from 25 dec to 40 dec 77 def to 40 dec 77 def to 104 def. Irrigation is crucial, especially during the initial years of growth. Farmers often use drip irrigation systems to provide consistent moisture while conserving water. Date palm trees typically bloom in the spring, producing flower clusters called inflorescences from the leaf axils. There are two types of date palm trees, male and female. Male trees produce small, white, fragrant flowers, while female trees produce larger, cream-colored flowers, Pollination is a crucial step for date palm trees to bear fruit. In nature, wind primarily transfers pollen from male to female flowers. However, to ensure good yields and bountiful harvests, farmers often perform hand pollination. They collect pollen from male flowers and carefully dust it onto female flowers, increasing the chances of successful fertilization. One of the most exciting advancements in modern agricultural technology is the use of shaking machines for harvesting dates. Traditionally, harvesting dates was a labor-intensive process that involved climbing tall palms to hand pick the fruit. Today, shaking machines have revolutionized this process, making it more efficient and less labor-intensive. Once harvested, the dates are transported to processing facilities where they undergo several stages of cleaning, sorting, and packing. The cleaning process involves washing the dates to remove dust and any residues. After cleaning, the dates are sorted based on size, color, and quality. High-quality dates are then packed using modern packing machines that ensure the fruit is preserved in optimal conditions. The packing process often includes vacuum sealing or using modified atmosphere packaging, MAP, to extend the shelf life of the dates. This is especially important for dates destined for export markets, as it ensures the fruit remains fresh during transportation. In 2023, the global export of dates reached new heights, with countries like Egypt, Saudi Arabia, and Iran leading the market. According to recent statistics, Egypt alone exported over 200,000 metric tons of dates, generating significant revenue for the country. Saudi Arabia and Iran followed closely, each exporting around 150,000 metric tons. The advanced agricultural practices and modern technology employed in date cultivation and processing have played a crucial role in meeting the growing global demand. Countries have invested heavily in research and development to improve yield, quality, and sustainability in date farming. Another challenge is the need for skilled labor. While shaking machines and other technologies have reduced the reliance on manual labor, skilled workers are still needed to operate the machinery and manage the farms effectively. Training programs and capacity building initiatives are essential to address this need. Governments and agricultural organizations play a crucial role in supporting date palm farming. Policies and programs that promote research and development, provide financial assistance, and facilitate access to international markets are vital for the growth of the date palm industry. The future of date palm farming looks promising, with continued advancements in agricultural technology and practices. Research is being conducted to develop new date palm varieties that are more resistant to pests and diseases, have higher yield potential, and can thrive in diverse climatic conditions. Date palm farming is a remarkable journey that combines tradition with modern technology. From planting and nurturing the young palms to harvesting the sweet fruit using shaking machines, every step of the process reflects the dedication and innovation of farmers. The global market for dates continues to grow, driven by the fruit's popularity and the increasing efficiency of agricultural practices. As we conclude this episode, we hope you have gained a deeper appreciation for the intricate process of date palm farming. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful documentaries on modern agriculture.